How you doing, people? My name is Gus GH. I'm going to write JKL, both capital letters and small letters like this. Okay, let's write J first. Okay, by the way, I'm using Zebra Sarasa Clip 0.7. J looks like that. J. All right, let's go to K. Let's go to L. Okay, I usually do like that, but either way fine. Okay, let's go to small letters, J. So these days I use like that. Either way fine. K, like that. So K, small k looks like somewhat R, but it's K. So be careful. Let's go to L. So this Nike logo is very important here. Like that. Like this. Like this. Okay. So today we wrote JKL, both big letters and small letters. Have a great day today. Right now, Korea is 31st of December, the last day of 2020. 2020 was a mess, was a terrible year. It's a hell of a year. But you have a great last day of 2020 because 2021 is coming up. Okay, our future is bright. So have fun today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.